Good morning, dear friends. How are you all? Hope all are fine. Dear students, we are going to start now part 2 language study. Standard 8, part 2 language study. Let us see the first chapter, word formation. In the previous section on grammar, the various parts of speech have been explained. Sometimes the same root, a word or a part of a word from Latin, Greek, or several other languages can be used to form many different words with the addition of prefixes and suffixes. The parts of speech that we can form from the same root are nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. So, if there is a verb if there is a noun, with that from that noun we can make the other sentences or other words, nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. So sometimes the words have different shades of meaning, even though all the parts formed from the same root. So first example they have given: capture, captor, and captivity, and refer to holding a prisoner. So dear students, if there is a one word, with that one word we can make nouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs. Let us see the following table. Noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. Ability, enable. Ability is a noun, okay? Then verb is enable, able, and ably. Ably is a adverb. Acceptance is a noun, verb is accept, adjective is acceptable, and adverb is acceptably. Accident is a noun, there's no verb, okay, for accident. Then adjective is accidental, and then adverb, there is no adverb. Then achievement, achieve, achievable, and there is no adverb. Addition, add, additional, additionally. Administration, administer, administrative, administratively. Admire, admiration, admire, admirable, and admirably. Admittance, admission, admit, admittable, or admittably. Advice, advice, advisable, and there is no adverb. Agreement, agree, agreeable, agreeably. So dear students, we have seen few examples of the word formation. Let us now move to the exercise number 1. Okay, here there at exercise we will go through only 5 sentence or 5 words. Okay, then rest all you can do it as a homework. So the complete the following table with the correct form of the words given. Put not where no answer is possible. So if there is no answer, you have to put not. Noun, abundance. Adjective, abundant, there is no verb, and then adverb is abundantly. Acceptance, noun. Adjective, acceptable, verb, accept, and there is no adverb. Administration, administrative, administer, administratively. Then admiration, admirable, admire, admirably. Admission, admissive, admit, and there is no adverb. So dear students, we have seen 5 exercise words. Okay, rest all you can do it as a homework. So dear students, we have studied the word formation, how to formate the word. Okay, if suppose they have shown before you any word, okay, if they give before you any word, how you will make a formation. Okay, you will put ly, le, okay, double ly, tion. So according to the study, you have to put it. Okay, so dear students, you will go through this whole lesson, and then you will read the lesson, and you will make more, you will make more words, and you can make formation of the word. Thank you.